My name is Collin O'Keefe. I am an orthopedic surgeon at Lederman and Kwartowitz Center for Orthopedics and Sports Medicine. Well, my background is I was born and raised in Michigan. I'm actually from the Lansing area initially. I went to college at Notre Dame, and then I did my medical schooling at Michigan State University. I did a subspecialty training and a year of orthopedic sports medicine at the Detroit Medical Center. While I was there, we were taking care of the Tigers and the Pistons and the Red Wings. My primary interest is in minimally invasive surgery of the shoulder and knee. I got a little bit of extra training in that because it's the thing I'm most interested in. We take care of fractures, we see arthritic joints, you name it here in our practice, we see it. Our practice here at Lederman Kwartowitz Orthopedics is a very nice private practice where I feel like our patients get all the time that they need. We have some patients who will come from other practices where they feel like they were just part of an assembly line, and they don't always feel that they got the time they needed or that anybody particularly listened to their concerns. I feel that we do a really nice job in making patients comfortable, feeling like they've been heard and addressing the problems that they have. We have some nice things that we're able to utilize here in our office. We have our own on-site physical therapy. Our therapists are amazing. They've done some pretty remarkable things in patients who have failed physical therapy otherwise. A couple of the biggest advancements that have happened in the last 10 years have been customized joint replacement and robotic joint replacement surgery. We were one of the first in the area for the MLS laser machine. Actually, Dr. Lederman, who started the practice years ago, did a lot of research, and he's had pretty great success of this. Over 90% of our patients are reporting positive benefits of the laser therapy. I think that overall that we're able to provide some things that not all practices can. Our practice is very involved in the community. We like to support the local high schools, also the local chambers of commerce. We take part in various parades around the area, and we find it very important to try to support the local community because they support us. They come to our practice, and we like to provide the best care that we can, while also being a good positive influence in the community and helping those out who may need help.